Hello and welcome to Marketing Platter. In this video, we will discuss about Capstone project, which students work on towards the end of their study program, especially in management studies and other social sciences. These days, we see such projects in other streams also, like engineering and others. In 10 seconds, I will tell about this channel to those who are new to this channel. I started this channel during COVID-19 lockdown to discuss marketing concepts with my students. Their enthusiastic participation in responding to assignment questions was remarkable. So I have some very amazing students. My goal through this channel is to spread marketing knowledge in simple language with such examples that make learning easy. This channel does not aim to gain any profit. Any revenue, if generated, will go towards the charitable purposes only. In this video tutorial, we will understand what is a capstone project, why do we have it, what are the benefits to the participants who do it, and what will you do in your capstone project, and eventually how to get best out of your capstone project. With this video tutorial, you will also be able to take a small step towards starting your capstone project. Let's understand what is a capstone project. So a capstone project is the final project towards the end of your study program where you apply your learning, whatever you have learned in the program, and then you do some research. So in this, you graduate from learning knowledge to creating knowledge, which is something which people expect when you join industry or even when you join your higher studies. So why do we have it? Capstone project gives an opportunity to apply concepts to a new unsolved issue or a problem. Here you can showcase how you can apply skills, especially the research skills, for creating something new. Watch this video till end to understand what to do in your project and how to get best out of your project. How will you benefit from your capstone project? You can showcase how you apply your conceptual knowledge in a new situation. You can also demonstrate your understanding of real issues related to marketing, HR, finance, IT, and other areas. So if you're doing it in engineering areas, certainly this is where you can demonstrate your understanding. Take this as an opportunity to improve your CV and differentiate your CV from others. This would also help you in widening your job scope from, let's say, sales to other core areas of management. So let's see what to do in your capstone projects. Start with your literature review. In this, you read the existing literature in your area, but do it from good sources only. That's my recommendation. That's the first step to improve the quality of your capstone project. And discuss within your group and develop a model of relationships among different concepts. A very important point is that you must take guidance from your mentor and refine your relationship model. This is something very crucial. And then you develop the appropriate design for your research and get it reviewed from your mentor and guide. The next step is that you conduct your research as per the guidance of your mentor or your guide, and after conducting your research, you analyze and interpret the findings and then discuss those again with your mentor. The next step is to write final research paper or your report in some cases using APA referencing format. APA referencing format is generally accepted in management studies. If you're asked to submit in some other referencing format, follow that. Next is to submit it in a good conference or a journal under the guidance of your mentor. Watch this video till end to understand what you can do now. You can start with a small step now. Let's understand how to get best out of your capstone project. The first thing, which is the most important, is to start early on. Next is that you increase your efforts on your capstone project when other subjects demand less attention. That is something important, which means that you put regular efforts on your capstone projects and keep up your efforts on the project when other subjects demand high attention. Even at that time, do not ignore your capstone. Just keep it up with small effort. And the very important thing, that meet your mentor regularly. If possible, you can meet twice a week. Of course, it is difficult because when you meet your mentor, you need to do some work. Only then you can meet your mentor. We will discuss at the end of this tutorial about how you can start your project with a small step now. So this video tutorial helped you in knowing what is a capstone project, why do we have it, how will you benefit from your capstone project, what to do in your capstone project, and how to get best out of your capstone project. What should you do now? You can start with a small step now. So how do you plan to get best out of your capstone project? Write in the comments. Like and share this video and subscribe to the Marketing Platter channel. Click on the bell icon so that you can get the notifications on new videos. I hope your understanding on capstone projects has increased with this video. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.